Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very nutritious, protein-packed, very easy, gluten-free bread. But I'm going to do a little bonus today because I need a drink, and so I'm going to show you how to make my signature drink. It's the Sexy Bee. You can find the recipe for both of these on my blog, on my website at sexyhealthmakeover.com. So I used to drink red wine all the time, but I discovered that wine and beer are really bad for your yeast bacteria balance in your digestive system. It can increase the yeast too much. And so I switched to tequila, and for a long time I drank margaritas with lime juice and stevia, but that became a little bit too acidic. So I started searching for a gentler on the stomach drink. So this is a very figure-friendly drink. It's like 100% agave tequila. Just a shot of tequila, and then some monk fruit sweetener, 0 calories. No Mr. Milo. And a little shot of coconut milk. No sugar added. So you can use like the kind of coconut milk in a can, or any kind of coconut milk. I mean, you could do coconut water and just do coconut water and then don't add any more water, but I'm going to add, I like coconut milk with water. But yeah, I just don't get any with added sugar. So unsweetened coconut milk. And voila! Awesome. Okay. Okay, now for the bread. So this is so easy. When I heard about this recipe, I saw it a while back on Rachel Ray. I don't remember who was doing it, but I was so excited because of the ingredients. A lot of gluten-free breads are like a lot of ingredients and a lot of simple carbs, a lot of rice flour and stuff, which is okay, but when you're gluten-free, you need to be careful not to get too much rice. It's easy to get too much rice in a lot of gluten-free pre-made foods. And rice, not only being a simple carb that we don't want to overdo, it naturally absorbs arsenic from the soil, so you just don't want to get too much arsenic. The rices, the types of rice that the last study I read that showed the lowest arsenic levels are basmati rice from India and California, and sushi rice. So I usually buy basmati rice for cooking, and then I just try to, if I can, do substitutes for rice. So anyway, this bread does not have many ingredients, and I was really excited about how healthy it seemed, but I was really worried about what the texture would be like and how it would bake. But I was so pleasantly surprised. I love it. So 5 eggs. Let me wash my hands. And right now it's not so easy to find flour in the stores, unfortunately, so this is a good bread to make right now, if you can find eggs. Okay, so let's see. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. That's the only flour it has. 2 tablespoons coconut flour. And then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. All right here. One teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of honey. Or is it 1 tablespoon? 1 tablespoon of honey. So just 2 of these, because this is a half of a tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon of honey, and then 2 cups of raw cashews. Did I say 2? I mean 2 cups. I don't know what I said. 2 cups of raw cashews. Okay, let's make sure I got everything that I need for now. Oh, pinch of salt. Now we blend this. We blend it until it's smooth. Yes. Okay, so at this point, once it's smooth, we add apple cider vinegar to 1 tablespoon. And we just blend this until it is mixed, not too long. I'll put my old blender on here. My blender is possessed these days. Okay, so that's good. It just needs to get incorporated, basically. then you pour it into an oiled loaf pan. I used coconut oil. And then you bake it uncovered for 25 minutes at 350. So 350, 25 minutes. And then after 25 minutes, you cover it with foil. Bake it another 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean from the center. And I have one that I made earlier. If I can remember where I put it. And this is how it turns out. It's beautiful, guys. I don't know, I shouldn't use a butter knife. This is no yeast at all. So this is the finished bread. Like I said, no yeast. So simple, so delicious. It's a very hearty bread. It's kind of eggy, a little bit like cornbread, but not really. It's just unique. But it's delicious with sunflower seed butter on it, with coconut oil and a sprinkle of cinnamon, avocado, roasted garlic, to make sandwiches with, French toast, anything. It's delicious and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much.